Dear students, welcome to my channel, The School Success. This video is about the poem The Quirl. In this video, I'll give you line by line explanation of the poem The Quirl by Eleanor Farzan and the theme of the poem and the message conveyed by it. So let's get started. The poem The Quirl describes how siblings sometimes argue without even knowing why. It starts with a small disagreement that grows stronger as they both insist they are right. They end up disliking each other for a while, making the atmosphere tense. However, one sibling eventually admits his mistake and suggests that they can't keep fighting all night. This gesture helps them both realize that holding on to anger isn't helpful, so they make up quickly. The poem shows that sibling fights can happen over small things but can be resolved by forgiving each other and moving on peacefully. Now, let us see the line by line explanation of the poem The Quirl by Eleanor Farzan. I quarreled with my brother. So, here the speaker introduces the main topic of the poem, a quarrel between siblings. I don't know what about. The speaker admits uncertainty about the cause of the quarrel, suggesting it might have been unimportant or forgotten. One thing led to another. The quarrel intensified gradually, possibly from a small disagreement, and somehow we fell out. Here, the siblings became separated because of the quarrel. The start of it was slight. So that means the conflict began with something very minor or insignificant. The end of it was strong. However, it intensified and became serious or emotionally charged. He said he was right. The brother declared that he was correct. I knew he was wrong. The speaker firmly believed that the brother was wrong. We hated one another. The quarrel caused strong feelings of hatred between the siblings. The afternoon turned black. The atmosphere became dark and gloomy, signifying the negative emotions surrounding them. Then suddenly, unexpectedly, the brother took action. Thumped me on the back. He physically expressed affection by patting the speaker on the back and said, "Oh, come along." He advised the speaker to move past the quarrel and make amends. We can't go on all night. He pointed out that they couldn't continue quarreling indefinitely. I was in the wrong. Surprisingly, the brother admitted fault, accepting responsibility for the disagreement. So he was in the right. The speaker acknowledges the brother's gesture of settlement and admits his brother was correct. Now let us see the theme of the poem. The theme of the poem, The Quarrel by Eleanor Farzan, is settlement and forgiveness in sibling relationships. It portrays the common experience of siblings quarreling over unimportant matters but ultimately resolving their differences through understanding and forgiveness. The poem emphasizes the transitory nature of sibling conflicts and the importance of maintaining harmony within the family. Let's have a look at the message conveyed by the poem. The message conveyed by the poem, The Quarrel, is that conflicts between siblings, no matter how heated they may become, are often rooted in unimportant reasons and misunderstandings. Despite initial strong emotions and disagreements over who is right or wrong, the poem suggests that settlement and forgiveness are essential. It highlights the importance of resolving conflicts quickly to restore harmony and maintain strong sibling bonds. The poem ultimately teaches the value of understanding, empathy, and willingness to forgive in maintaining healthy relationships within the family. So that is all about the poem, The Quirl. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Happy learning.